like to welcome you to this year's Dubai Airport Show, where we are pleased to present our digital tower solutions.
Which is a great opportunity to meet our customers and partners and show the commitment to the region.
With our remote tower product, we are now bringing tower automation to all the airports. Frequentis provides the most advanced remote tower system in the world. Automated object detection, infrared technology.
We demonstrate how we can support ANSPs to handle the ever-increasing demand in airspace capacity by introducing automation to high-throughput towers.
One of the major parts of digital towers is of course the network. We have developed a solution here end-to-end for voice and data, which is called Sphere. Frequentis welcome all of our customers to Abu Dhabi and look more closer to our solutions in detail.
Thank you for coming by this year, and we're looking forward to see you in 2020.